What's up guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It's been a long time, I know, more than 2 months without any videos, but it was because I had a lot of work and also a lot of work to make this project happen with the FPV drone. I want to make cinematic videos and a little bit of freestyle with my FPV drone. That's why I make this decision to wait until I'm ready to give you a great video. It's a long way to build your drone, to buy all this stuff that you need for the FPV drone, because I had nothing before. The soldering part is really hard. For me, it's the hardest part on building your drone, and I was alone to do this. By chance, I have some nice friends who helps me with the settings of the drone on Betaflight. It's the software where you set everything up for the drone. Next week I will show you everything I bought for this new patient. It's not really expensive when you have everything, but I had nothing before, no tools, no space to work on my FPV drone, because I think it's great to have a dedicated place to work on your drone, because if you are doing that in your kitchen or in your living room and then you need to remove everything, you're gonna be tired to do this every time. So that's why I decided to take the time and build my workspace here with everything that I need to both all the stuff that I needed to build my drone, to charge the batteries, everything. So next week I will show you this from the beginning, which simulator I use, tips for it. You know what, I'm gonna give you these tips right now for the goggles. You can use the simulator with the DJI goggles FPV system. I think you need to take the habit to have this on your head, and also for the orientation, because at the first time that you try this, you're gonna be like, whoa, it's really strange. It's so much better to use the simulator like this. It makes you in real conditions. This is how I use it every time now. The quality inside is really less than the HD you're gonna have with the DJI system on your drone, and I think it's also a great point because you're gonna be able to fly with the simulator in a lower quality than the real flight, and it helps a lot, I think, also because that way it's from AV to HD, so you're gonna be like, wow, it's another world and I see everything really clear now with the real drone. What you need for this is an HDMI cable, this box to go from HDMI to AV, then you need this cable which is 3 RCA to a mini jack, I think, and then you connect the HDMI to your computer, the cable on the goggles. You can also use an adapter, 12-volt adapter, to use the goggles to power them, because other than that you're gonna use drone batteries. It's better, I think, like this. That way you keep your battery safe. You're not using it, you can keep them for the real flight. After that, inside the goggles you're going to settings, AV in, and then it works. Sometimes you're gonna have a blue screen, so you just remove the cable and put it back again and it works. The quality is gonna be really less than the real HD of the goggles when you're flying with your drone, but like I said, it's even better because you're gonna do training on the simulator with less quality as the real drone. So when you're gonna fly the real drone, it's gonna be wow, so another world. So it's great, and I'm using it like this. And for the controller, you connect it like always with the USB connected on your controller, and then you can set up everything on the simulator. This is how I use my simulator, and it's really helpful, because all the videos that you saw before, it was my 4th or 5th flights. It's a proof that the simulator helps a lot, and you need to also to have some balls because when you're passing by some trees, some like the dam in the video, it's, yeah, you are like that. Trust me, you are really like that. It's not because I'm doing this that I'm gonna stop to fly my Mavic 2 Pro. I'm gonna mix both of them soon, but I need to manage how to take everything with me, because now I need to have 2 different backpacks for the camera, the Mavic, the FPV. It's a lot of stuff, so yeah. But I'm really happy with that new passion. It's a lot of work, but it's really worth it. So next week I will show you everything I have here. Some settings for the GoPro. I was absent for a long time, but you know, if I'm quiet, it's not for nothing. It's because I'm working on something, and I prefer to wait until I'm ready to give you some great videos. I don't want to put like shitty video and flying my drone straight, because it makes no sense for me to fly an FPV straight like this, like a Mavic or like a Phantom or anything else. Thanks for watching, guys. I see you next week, and I wish you a beautiful day. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being here even if I'm absent a little bit. Whoop, I almost forget to say the words for the end of the video on YouTube. Give a thumbs up if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and I see you next week for a new video, guys. Thank you again, salut!